What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Seasallauto LLC, Full Mechanic and Roadside Services. I'm in the truck, I'm sitting on the side of the road, eating a burrito, watching my homie Casey's video about this power probe, and I was like, I need to record a video. This is great. So good video, by the way, the power probe review. We got to go pick up a Dodge Caravan 2011, about 20 minutes away. I just wanted to stop real quick. I also had to take a leak, but I guess it might be a little bit too much. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the road. I'm gonna load up, and I guess I'll show whenever I'm loading it up. I need to keep my head cam. I don't know why I don't ever keep this thing with me anymore, but yeah, we'll get all into it right after the intro. All right, I just got flagged down, so I'm assuming, oh, I see it right there. Okay, hold on, it's right over there. I'm just gonna stop in the middle of this street because I'm in the country, and we can do that. Hey, what's going on, bro? Two cars came. Go ahead, big guy, go ahead. I gotta set up my camera. And y'all are just gonna stay there. Okay, you might want to go. Oh, okay, he got it. He got it. This guy got it. Thank you. So y'all probably wondering why I got all that wood back there. I promise you it comes in handy more often than not. Man, I'm close to that edge. It's very hard, by the way, to hold this camera. I don't have that good of mountain locations in here. That's the van over there. Good thing I was able to drive. Yeah, this will work out. So I'll just pull on out the winch. Might take me a few minutes. I hate when I can't just drive straight up to it, but it's often like that. More often than not. We'll get back to it. getting ready to get the address to drop off They said it was only like 3 miles down the road. I'm like, all right. So let's verify they're telling the truth. Because I should have did this beforehand, to be completely honest with you. 6 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, 3.5. They forgot the 0.5, but I guess I wouldn't have charged them an extra whatever for that. I got my door open, of course. I'm about to jump back out here. I just want to get up to the main road because I don't know exactly which way we're going. And the breeze feels good. There's a lot of overcast down here today. And we're gonna talk to the gentleman to make sure we're good. Uh-oh. GPS talking. Hold on. I'll put this down.
Take the next right onto Martin Luther King Jr. Avenue.
Alrighty. Yeah, it's still 6 minutes down the road, so that's cool. You know, I'm gonna be honest. I got a lot of guys that are homies in the mechanic world. Make sure we're going the right way. And what the deuce? I got a lot of friends in the mechanic world that make me question why they're in the mechanic world. Like, I tell them about the towing, and they rather turn wrenches.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Wilduke Road.
Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. Oh, there we go. Sorry. But I really thoroughly enjoy towing. The thing that will take my towing game to the whole nother level is when I actually have like good equipment. So super excited about that. It'll happen eventually. I've been here before. We in the hood. We in the hood. And I'm gonna tell you, I was gonna make a video about this, but you know, since we drive in, let me go ahead and put this in here. Now, there's a distinct difference between the hood, the suburban areas, and then like what I would call the rich areas. Not necessarily
right onto Wilduke Road.
Not just necessarily just the houses, but it's like what you see. Like in the hood, it's not uncommon to see people chilling. Like you might think, well, what, Pat? Of course, yeah, people chill. No, not in suburbia like that. Not in suburbia. Not from what I see, at least. I've lived in suburbia. I have not lived in a rich area.
In half a mile, turn left onto US 17 South.
Okay, thank you, Google. I've not lived in a rich area yet, but see the rims for sale. Things out in the side, like there's a clothesline right there, and there's nothing wrong with this. But this is why it's considered to be the hood. You don't see, look at that big rims on the car. This is what you see. It's just a normal thing. And I just realized that the damn the jail is literally like a minute away. So prime reasoning why we in the hood. Somebody calling me? Oh, somebody calling my other phone. Suburbs, you might see people outside washing their car, walking the dog, playing with the kids or something like that. But the difference in the suburbs that I see from like being in the hood is there's no stores around. Usually suburbia is out in the middle of somewhere, and oh, don't hit me. Not like in the woods, but away from a lot of things. Like usually there's accessibility to the stores, don't get me wrong, but not always. And the houses are typically really close together. They're built a little bit nicer. Trying to think of what else. And this is just my observation. Like I say, I mean, I've lived in the hood.
Turn left onto US 17 South.
All right, thank you, Google. I've lived in the hood, and I've lived in the suburbs. And the only thing that I don't like about living in the hood versus the suburbs is the music, really. I get so tired of hearing music and people partying. But they enjoying life. I don't know who's happier, the suburbs or what? Uh-oh, wife calling. Let me go ahead and take this, y'all.
Your destination is on the right.
Alright, so we here. I'm gonna go see where he wants to put this thing, and I'll load the camera back up. Now you ain't supposed to, for purposes of this stupid little lip, unwinch your car and then throw it down like that. And it's only because I'm at an angle, it's easier to kind of calculate that it's not gonna affect it. Actually, the angle helped me out a whole lot. Hold on, let me drop these keys off. Oh, you got a gotcha, my bad, bro. All right, man, thank you, man. Have a good one. Right, you too. So, yeah, so no worries. Don't do as I do. Do your own research. I'll make it happen. But she's finally here. 2011 Dodge Caravan, which, like I say, dispatch told me that it was actually a truck. So they paid like it was a truck. Even though it's a van, I guess it's still, whatever. Either way, that's it for me, man. I gotta make some phone calls. I gotta get on back. I'm about 35 minutes out from my side of town. Go get the kiddos. I got a gang of stuff to work on that I've been really like, I'll get to it. But that's it for today, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe. Any questions or concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Otherwise, go out there and do your own thing, make it happen, and be pro mundo beneficio siempre.